Whoa, so cool! Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're opening up some farm exploiters. Wow, these are from Farmer Toys. I can't wait to get a close look at all this farm equipment. Wow, we have so many tractors and so much farm equipment. Let's take a look at each one. Here's a fun tractor and trailer. Check out the double wheels. This trailer has extra high fences. You can carry all sorts of fun things inside. We could carry horses and cows, but also lots of grain. Here's the fun tractor. Look, the bucket moves up and down. You can also raise and lower it. I love all the details on this fun tractor. There are rear view mirrors and exhaust pipes. You can also see inside the cab. You can even turn the steering wheel. You can see that there are lights on top. So cool! You can also open it up and check out the engine. Here's another tractor and trailer. This tractor looks just like the last one. Here's the trailer. It's carrying logs. We can even take the logs out of the tractor. We have 3 different logs. This tractor has a push friction motor. I love that it still has the exhaust pipe. And you can still see inside of the cab and turn the steering wheel. This is a brighter green. This red tractor also has a push friction motor. So cool! I love the fun red tractor. There's a ladder to get into the cab. You can also hook it to the other trailers. Here's another tractor. Wow, I love the red color. This has a slurry tanker. You can access it from the top. It also has these pipes to pump it back out like a fertilizer. Here's another piece of farm equipment. We can use this to carry all sorts of things all over the farm. What a cool trailer! We also have this fun tractor. You can lift it up to see inside the engine. It's got huge exhaust pipes on both sides. It also has rear view mirrors. Check out the fun tires. I love looking in the cab. Here's a really cool trailer. the back, you can see we have a harvester. You can also transport your harvest back to the barn. Next, we have this combine harvester. It can reap, thresh, and winnow in a single process. It can raise and lower. This is friction powered. It can also move the chute, so you can easily load the grain into your trailer. Here is a forage harvester. It uses this machinery to pick up corn and other grains that needs to be chopped. You can see there's a ladder right here to get into the cab. There's also an exhaust pipe in the back. The chute also moves to the left and right so you can load it up into any trailer you want. Let's check out the forage harvester. Wow, I love watching them in action. We love filling up the trailer. Let's check out the combine harvester. He spins this to get the seeds from the grass. Whoa, I love the tracks they make in the sand. We love seeing these mighty machines work so hard. It's time to fertilize the ground. Oh no, the tank got clogged up. We need some more water. Let's chop off some logs for the fence. Now we can make a fun fence for the farm. We'll have the farmers get right on that job. Here comes the tractor with some animals. Let's see what animals we have. There's a horse, of course. There's also a goose. This tractor has so much space. Let's see if we can put some other animals inside. We have a pig. Into the tractor you go. We have a sheep. Into the tractor. We have a donkey. Into the tractor. Whoa! We have a cow with a calf. Into the tractor. We have a chicken. Into the tractor. Here's another horse. Into the tractor. Ooh, it's getting full. We have a turkey. Into the tractor. We have a bull. Into the tractor. We have a duck. Into the tractor. Oh, it's starting to get too full. We have a rooster. Into the tractor. And we have a chicken. Yay! We got all of our animals inside the tractor. I want to see some tracks. Let's smooth down this Play-Doh so we can see the tracks the tractors make. We have some nice smooth Play-Doh. Let's see what tracks the tractor makes. Whoa, so cool! Whoa, so cool! Look how deep those are! Let's make some more tracks! There are so many fun ways to use farm equipment. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.